Eli. Eli, tell everybody Happy Mother's Day. Eli. Eli, look at me. Tell everybody Happy Mother's Day. What you doing? You're on the move? Hi. Can I get a big smile for everybody on Mother's Day? Thank you. Say Happy Mother's Day. What you doing? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Happy Mother's Day. You just want to show everybody how you kick? Yeah. Okay. We can show them that. Show everybody how you kick. Kick. Yeah, that's good. That's your move. All right. So see you soon.